Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Eric Pinkney, owner of Pinkney Estates. If this is our first time meeting, please consider subscribing to my channel for real estate investing content. It's been a while since I've been on here to talk to y'all. I think about like 6 months. I've been pretty busy, man. I've been crazy busy. I want to tell you guys so much, but anyway, I can tell you a little bit. I am just coming back from closing on this beauty here in North Forest Hills, Chapel Hill, North Carolina. My goal with this house, by the way, is to flip it. So renovation is going to take like 2, maybe 3 weeks, 3 weeks max. But I'm going to renovate it, put it right back on the market, hopefully by the end of July. Walking into the living room. Pretty cool, right? You know, I'm not gonna go into any detail. You guys can see, right? You guys can see. Yeah, so it's an older house, you know. Looks like it's ready to go. Back out into the living room. Down the hall, and we're gonna turn right first. Boom. Bedroom number 1. Okay. So, all right. I am only gonna do a couple of things up here. 2 minor things. And I know you're thinking, this house is old as hell. It needs update. I know what I'm doing. But anyway, one of the things I'm gonna do is close off that door. Because this door leads to the kitchen, right? No. That's ass. You don't want to do that. Right here, I'm going to do like a little princess balcony, but not necessarily a balcony. You're not going to be able to step out on there, but I mean, it's better than a closet rack that is in between yourself and a terrible accident. But yeah, that's pretty much like all I'm going to do. And it's just going to be in this room. I'm going to close that wall off, and I'm going to do a nice princess situation over here, overlooking the backyard. Now, right across, this is our bathroom. I know, it needs updating. You're not going to do anything to the bathroom? Nope. And I'm going to show you why in a minute. All right, so everything else is pretty standard, you know, boom. Yep, here's the master. Now, what's weird with this master is there is no master bathroom. So up here is 3 bedroom, 1 bath, 1,000 square feet. I purchased this for $394. I know you guys are thinking, what the hell, E? You have lost your entire mind. Why would you do such a thing? It's all about buying right. If you look at my 70% video, that's pretty much how I bought this. Anywho, this is the money maker right here. Well, one of the money makers. Let's walk into this unfinished basement. Boom. This is a blank canvas. The ceiling height is where it needs to be. I do need to replace this bad boy. Now, this furnace, I have a guy giving me a diagnostic this week. More than likely, there's gonna be some shit wrong with that. Like, look at this. This is old. Like, look at that. There is a 1-car garage in this property. So I haven't decided if I wanna keep it as a 1-car garage or just eliminate it and just use that square footage as heated space. So I don't know, it'll be pretty dope if you could just drive your car in right there and then like right into your man cave. I digress. I plan to put a bedroom right there connected to the bathroom. Right here is the main sewage line. This is about 6 feet off the ground. Okay, so this is where my bathroom is gonna be. So I am gonna need a sewage injector pump. I believe is what they called it. And that's like pumping the sewage up to the main line so the shit can go outside. Right here, I'm gonna put a pool table right here. Okay, and it's not gonna be a brand new pool table. It's just gonna be for staging. It's nothing, I'm gonna go to like Marketplace or something like that, buy one for like $200-300, put it in here and sell it with the house. It's the little things, man, I'm telling you. The panel looks good. Now, I had my HVAC guy come out here already. And I think I need like to upgrade my panel just a little bit so it can hold this split unit that's going to be down here. So I spoke with the town of Chapel Hill, with the permitting department. And if you haven't noticed, there is not any access from the unfinished basement to the main area. Now, if you live here in North Carolina, more specifically in Orange County, you do not have to have access from your unfinished basement to your main area. The only thing you have to have are like 2 escape routes, 2, maybe 3 escape routes. One is a window. Okay, that's a big window there, and there's another window. And I have 2 other exits. Boom. There's a door and then a bigger door. Okay, so that is an extra 1,000 square feet that I'm going to finish off. So that turns my 1,000 square foot home into a 2,000 square foot home. By finishing the basement, having it permitted and inspected, I got it all lined up. So I'm going to be the GC on this. And it's not as hard as you think. If you want to be a GC on your own project, the only thing you have to do is get in contact with your town and ask them to talk to the planning and permitting department and say, hey, I want to pull a permit. I'm going to be the GC. It's simple as that. And every time you hire a contractor, you tell the town that you're hiring a person to do the specific job, and then you give them the permit number, and then that's it. That's it. And make sure your contractors are licensed and insured. This is the side of the house. Okay, I'm gonna have to crawl underneath real quick. So, oh, look at there. Deer just running by. You see that? Okay, so now I'm at the side of the house, and the creek is still going along the property. This tree fell away from the house, thank God. But maybe right here, right around here somewhere, like I'll create some steps down to a little platform right here, like a little wine drinking chill zen area. What y'all think? Okay, and they're like, it's still going. The creek is still going. Where is it going? Oh yeah, I forgot. There was one huge selling factor for me. This is a unicorn, right? We were going to sell our house, take advantage of the equity, and just do it all over again, right? Because our house is beautiful. But things change, and now we don't have to leave our home. But this is where I want to live, though. Look, there's the house. There's my house. Well, it's not my house because I'm going to flip it, but yeah, we have water view, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lake Ellen. So you walk out of your front yard into this. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. I found a unicorn. Aha! Wow. Look, house is over there. Like, we're gonna, and it goes down over here at Lake Ellen. Like fireworks, food trucks, ice cream, stuff for the kids all the time. And you're right here, dude. Right here. That open door sign, like, well, they need to come get that. You're right here, ladies and gentlemen. Now, is that water view? Huh? Like, I mean, what? That's two water views. One of Lake Ellen and the other one of the creek. I think it was Booker Creek, if I'm not mistaken. Could be wrong. But, yeah. Let me know what y'all think, man. I've been busy, dude. Like, been so busy. Got my family mad at me because I can't do certain things. Got friends mad at me. Look, man, I'm telling you. When you're on the grind and you have a destination in mind, you're going to have to make sacrifices. They'll understand at the end, trust me. And if they don't, just keep doing you, man, and find like-minded individuals. It is your boy, Eric Pinkney. Toasty tip of the day. Toasty! Stay motivated.